Well, hello, welcome to M's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the Tesla Model X having an issue with the charge port not unlocking. All right, so first time ever, had this car 4 years, where I'm having a more serious issue. The charge port will not unlock. It's working right now, and I'm going to show you how I got it to work. So I started getting some weird errors like charge port latch not engaged, and this is when things started acting up. And eventually I noticed the light that goes green and red and white wasn't lighting it up at all on my charge port. So this was just the beginning of the issues. I guess this is how the charge port starts going bad. Now eventually the lights came back on, but I had other issues. All right, so I'm going to show you what the issue here is. This won't open. So what happens is when this thing is open, I mean, obviously I'm getting an error that's telling me that the charge port is open, which is not. So that little tab right at the bottom, that tab is the lock for the actual charger. So what happens is when you put this in there, there's a little tab on the bottom, and that's where it grabs. So what happens is when you lock the car and it's charging, nobody can come and pull it out. Problem is, I can't get that in. So I'm going to show you now my workaround. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this plastic card. You can use actually you can probably do it with a business card too. Probably going to be easier if you're on the road. You're going to have a business card. You're going to curve it, put it above, and what you're going to do is you're going to press that in. Once it's in there, you can do that, pull it out, and then put it back in, and you can get it to work. So nice little trick, just, business card, and you can get to charging until you can figure out, you're gonna have to replace this charge port, which I'm waiting for parts, so hopefully that'll come in soon. So once you're done charging, if you want to release the charger, we're gonna manually release right up here. There's a string right up there with a little rubber. And once you pull that string, it'll unlock the charge port. Now you only need to do this if the button on the charging cable doesn't work. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. We got the car charging, and actually it's a couple days later, so you might notice something different. My car's a little gray now, so I actually ended up taking the car into the Tesla Service Center in Silver Spring, and they have it there. They're going to replace the charge port, but they don't have them in stock, so we're going to have to wait until they have it in. They're telling me August 10th or something like that, and we're in the middle of July right now, so I may be driving this thing around for a while. It's a P90D, so same thing as my car. But thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out if you're in a jam and you can't get your car to charge. And remember, this month, the month of July, for anybody that leaves a comment, that's a subscriber, should leave a comment down below in these videos. You'll be entered to win some of the super clean products. You have one right there on top of the McLaren. And you'll also be able to win one of the shirts, which is actually, there's one right there as well. So make sure you leave a comment down below, for super clean products. They'll be shipping them out. You have to be in the United States in order to be entered in for that. And also, I'm going to be sending out a shirt. So thank you for watching. Y'all take care and stay safe.